Hello, hello. We are back with another Technic set, a medium-sized one, a little over 800 pieces. And I can't pronounce some of the words in it. I'm not going to try. So we're just going to go set 42161, a Lamborghini. So there we go. Hope you enjoy. 800 pieces later, we have our finished Technic Lamborghini. Had some difficulties on this one. I had to backtrack a little bit, but it's all right. You barely saw it, right? So check it out. We got the doors kind of open like that. You can kind of see inside. Really like that. The hood opens up as well a little bit. But yeah, like the Technic sets, like the Technic cars. A little bit of difficulty, but always fun to do. So if you like the Technic line or you like cars, always recommend chasing those down. So that's it for this one, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.